Hi, my name is John Stevenson, and welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today, we're going to be talking about the best annuities for retirement security. So if you're retired or you're getting closer to retirement and you want the security that comes from an annuity, but maybe you're not sure which one to choose. Maybe your advisor is pitching one that looks good, but you're not quite sure. And you're kind of looking around, you're thinking, well, are there other ones out there that I can look at? The answer is yes. There's hundreds of them. And if you want to go to my website, johnstevenson.com, you'll actually be able to see all the top ones. So if you're looking for the top payout, go there. The income rider one is usually the highest payout, but I would invite you to go there. It's johnstevenson.com. And then if you want to book a call with me, you absolutely can. It's because I help people with annuities. I help them set them up, and I can do the same thing for you. But in this video, I just want to show you what's available and kind of what you can do for yourself. And now, this is different for everyone. We're all at different ages, and we all can purchase annuities at different times, and we might need income now, we might need income later, and I'll show you, and this will kind of give you an idea. But again, go to my calculators, and you'll be able to see for your particular situation, all right? Okay, so I just pulled someone in. They're 65, and their spouse is 65, and they're in Arizona, okay? $500,000. And they want to start income at age 70. So they want to wait till age 70 to take Social Security, and they want to wait to start income from their annuity contract. So they want to know what the highest payout is. Well, you can see from here, and this is the income rider. The income rider is attached to a fixed indexed annuity contract, and they provide lifetime income. And in this instance, it's for both spouses. Okay, if it was just for one, it'd be more, and I'll show you that. But you can see nationwide, they're the highest. $55,000 a year, guaranteed for the rest of your life. Followed by Corebridge, Athene, National Life Group, and so on. You got lots of different carriers. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now, maybe you're looking at a SPIA contract. Okay, a SPIA or a DIA. A DIA is the same as a SPIA, it's just deferred out. Okay, so what does that look like? Well, it's usually less, and we're going to look to see exactly how much less it is. So $500,000, joint life, and I want to start income in 5 years. All right, monthly income, $3,808. Quite a bit less, okay? $3,808, what is that per year? It's $45,696. You're basically taking $10,000 less than what you would get from an income rider. So I would stick with the income rider. I'm going to go back here real quick. I want to see what the immediate payout is. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to change this to 2025. So I'm going to take income next month. What would that look like? And with New York Life, it's $2,886. So $2,886 times 12, that's $34,632. All right, that's not bad. $34,632. What would it be for the income rider? I don't know if the income rider would be higher than that. We'll see. So if we were to take income immediately, same $500,000. Okay, both spouses are 65, and this will change. If your age is different, your spouse's age is different, this will be different. All right, so for nationwide, it's $35,700. So yeah, it's $1,000 more. It's $1,000 more versus New York Life. So yeah, if you're looking for highest annual income, nationwide is still it. So yeah, that's what I would recommend, and that's starting income next month. So there's a lot of different things you can look at. I mean, you might be 55 and you might not take income until you're 65. Well, income's going to be a whole lot higher. Or you might take it at 60. Income will be a little bit less because even though you're deferring it out for 5 years, you're starting it at a younger age. And if your spouse is a lot younger, you might want to only do a single payout and have something set up for them, or do a joint payout with the understanding that the income will be lower because the annuity company is on the hook for not just for your life, but really for their life. Because especially if they're a female, they're going to live longer. Just statistics show us that they will. So my wife's 4 years younger than me, and so our annuity payout will be less just because she is 4 years younger and she has higher longevity versus a male. So they take that into an account on all of these. So, I mean, I can go in here and say, all right, well, let's see, I'm pull it out to 70 years old. Let's see what this looks like here. So 70 years old, $55,000 a year, and that's if we're both the same age. What if my spouse is 5 years younger than me? Then what is it? Well, they're going to base it off of your spouse's age. Okay, there you go. $50,750. You can see that nationwide's pretty close, but if you're looking for the highest payout for a couple and the spouse is 5 years younger, Corebridge is actually the best option. So anyways, it's not bad. It's definitely less, but it's still not bad. It's when you're looking for joint income guaranteed for your life and your spouse's life. So there's a lot of things that go into this. And as you can see, I have access to all the carriers. So if you want to talk to an expert that has access to all carriers and that will show you everything, regardless of what I'm getting paid, some of these commissions are not so great. Some of them they are. But to me, it evens out in the end. And as a fiduciary, I have a responsibility to show you everything anyways. So a lot of guys will try to sell you one product or two, and they push it and they say, this is a really good company, which is true. There probably are. I mean, I have a lot of guys that try to sell, let's see here, Allianz, great company, A+ rated, the largest in the world. They got like $3 trillion in assets, but the income's like $44,000. Okay. That's a lot less than this. We're talking a $6,000 haircut. But the commissions are high. And so a lot of guys will push that and they can justify it saying, well, the company's good and the income's decent. And they know that there's other products out there that provide you more income, but they don't tell you about it because they're not being a true fiduciary. So I guess what I'm trying to explain is if you want to work with someone who's a fiduciary, who's transparent, then consider booking a call with me. Okay, there's a link below the video, goes directly to my calendar. There's a link on my website, johnstevenson.com, that will put you into my calendar as well. And we'll get on a Zoom call and I'll show you everything that's available and I'll answer all your questions. Okay, and you can also go on my website and research this for yourself. You don't even have to book a call, okay? Research it for yourself, find out for yourself what is the best one. And if there's something that fits and you're like, yeah, I'd like to talk to John, book a call with me. Happy to answer your questions, okay? I'm not gonna try to hard sell you. Of course, I'd love to sell you an annuity and I will help you with that if that's what you wanna do. But I'm there to provide value as well. So anyways, hope that helps. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below. I'll be sure to answer, and we'll see you next time.